Time for another quick meal you can make any night of the week as part of our series, The Dish Recipe. It's a spinoff of our James Beard award-winning series, The Dish. Today, we take you back to your childhood. Our friends at New York Times Cooking share a homemade Hamburger Helper recipe that was first created by the culinary director of Shake Shack. I like the sound of that. The entire dish cooks in one pot.
Good morning. My name is Priya Krishna, and I'm a food reporter at the New York Times. Today, we are making my homemade Hamburger Helper. The ingredients you need to make the dish are onion, garlic, bacon, ground beef, white wine, chicken stock, heavy cream, hot sauce, smoked paprika, bay leaf, elbow pasta, American cheese, cheddar cheese, and chives. The first thing we're going to do is cut up our onion and our garlic. You just need one large onion, and you're gonna dice it into about 1/2 inch pieces. So you've just got 3 cloves. Let's get our onion sauteing. We're gonna 1/4 cup of vegetable oil and season with salt and pepper. We're gonna cook these on medium-low heat until they become caramelized and brown, and that takes about 20 to 25 minutes. Now, we're gonna add our minced garlic and really just let that toast for a couple of minutes. I'm gonna add a pound of ground beef, 5 strips of bacon chopped up. I'm gonna spread it into a layer and I'm gonna let it brown on the bottom. What you're looking for in this step is for the bottom of the meat to get this like beautiful charred crusty bottom. And to do that, you kind of just have to set it and forget it. I'm gonna set my spoon down and I'm gonna walk away for 10 minutes. This has been cooking for about 10 minutes. Look at that absolutely gorgeous char. And we're gonna just deglaze the pan with some white wine. You're just gonna let it reduce until it's basically dry. The wine is what gives it that sort of fancy note of complexity. Now we're going to add 3 cups of chicken broth, 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream, anywhere from a 1/4 cup to a 1/3 cup of hot sauce. I like it spicy, so we're gonna go with the full 1/3 cup, and 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, and then a bay leaf, just to balance everything out. I'm gonna bring this to a boil, and then we're gonna cook our pasta. What's nice is that you're cooking the pasta directly in the sauce, so the pasta is releasing its starches, so it's sort of thickening the sauce as it's cooking the pasta. So while the pasta, it's got about 5 minutes left, we're just gonna chop our chives. If you don't have chives, you could totally use scallions. My pasta is cooked. It's nice and al dente. And now we're just gonna add our cheese. So you're gonna tear up your 5 slices of American cheese. You're gonna add a 1.5 cups of cheddar cheese. Last step, stirring in our chives. Our little hit of green. Give them a nice stir. I'm gonna just serve myself a little portion. Ooh, yum. Like, this dish is unbelievable. It is good for people who like creamy. It's good for people who like hearty. It is good for people who like complexity. This dish is everything for everyone. It is a party trick in a bowl.
That looks rich and delicious. I am definitely gonna try that.